So there's something that we've been talking about all year when it comes to Cardano, a metric that has been absolutely surging, but it seems like as of late, it's kind of tailed off. It's kind of slowed down, and I want to discuss why that is with you guys. What I'm talking about is obviously the Cardano TVL. It's been just a year of absolute and utter dominance. We entered the year at about 260 million, 270 million ADA locked. And we currently sit at over 722 million ADA locked, worth over $217 million. So this is obviously a great sign for the year. Huge strides forward in actual on-chain usage and utilization of the protocols that are in place. But now here's the thing. So basically since the, July 7th, we've essentially gone sideways. We've stopped having the same kind of gains in terms of TVL that we were earlier in the year. You know, it's kind of funny because basically every single day you could say, oh, new all-time high, new all-time high, new all-time high. It actually made for some very easy content to talk about. So what's happening right now is in the market, there's a whole lot of nothing happening. Everything's flat. Everything's boring. What you have to realize is the way that people contribute to TVL is through excitement, through developments. The reason that I think the early part of the year was so good is because there were such massive developments going on for Cardano. Now, it's not to say they've stopped or anything like that, because they haven't. We have some huge steps forward that are on the very short-term horizon here. But right now, the overall crypto market just doesn't have that same kind of buzz. Okay, there's a lot of uncertainty right now, and that puts people at pause, right? That's why the reason why we're not seeing huge moves forward. Obviously, we've seen Meld fall down here. We've seen Vive Finance fall down. A couple other ones have worked their way up, but it's just been kind of even Steven. Now, I will say this though, even though Cardano TVL has not been moving as of late, what you should look at is how it's comparing to some of the other chains out there. In fact, right now where Cardano sits, it's one of the very few chains that on the 1 month is actually up in terms of value. That's, I think, a very key point here. So this isn't the amount of locked coins. This is the actual dollar value. So the actual dollar value of ADA has actually gone up. We've seen obviously huge pullbacks in terms of Arbitrum, Ethereum. We've seen BSC pullback, Polygon. I mean, you guys kind of get the point. It's been a very consistent theme here. So really what we need is we just need some of these, new protocols, some of these new updates for Cardano to continue to be rolled out. And then we just need the market to just get in a little bit, we'll call it happier of a place. We need everything to calm down a little bit. We need the SEC to back off, which it sounds like they're now a little more focused on AI. I know somebody said that they're making a compute. I think it was Struel, I think, if I remember correctly. Appreciate you, man. They're not making a complete shift away from crypto. Yes, they're focusing on AI. The SEC is just going crazy right now. Oh, a good sign as well. I don't know if you guys heard this or saw this or not. It sounds like the SEC is planning on appealing, but they're not planning on appealing the ruling that XRP is in fact not a security. So there's another part in there that they're trying to appeal. So what that means is if they don't appeal this and this sticks, that XRP itself is never a security, the coin itself, that's a big deal for the rest of the industry. What that means is that there's likely to never be a lawsuit that directly focuses on ADA itself as a security, which is positive for the long-term growth and development of the chain. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you guys think is going to be the thing that allows ADA, Cardano TVL, to just explode from here. It's been a great year. I think we're going to finish on even a bigger note. I said that we'll probably cross over 1 billion ADA locked by the end of the year. So appreciate you guys. Hope you have a great day, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.